Hello guys and welcome. First of all, because of this freaking crazy situation with coronavirus and lockdown and everything we passing through last few weeks in some countries is really disaster situation, in some countries is more or less okay situation, but it's global problem. And that's the cause why we are not so active about some things we start to make, especially about part related with Pinterest course. And like I explained already, in upcoming period, if we will not be able to reach our documents what we have stored on another location because we cannot move between cities, we will simply have no choice than make some things all over again, and we will put and publish them, and we will inform you on time about that. But that's not something what I want to discuss and announce today. So as things start to getting better and we start to have less and less restrictions, and that's very positive thing, and that's something what give us hope that we will start to live normally very soon, I decide to announce today what you can expect here and what will be things we will showing you and start dealing with you in upcoming days. So this is something what I want to make 100% clear. I'm sure and I bet that all of you saw so many videos, so many courses, so many things on YouTube and online, how you can so easily make money. And mostly you see that from people presenting them like, before I was super poor, I worked some job and didn't have anything to eat, but right now I enjoy freedom. You see them walk on the sandy beach, drive expensive cars, and they told you mostly and only which product you should buy. And next time when you see something like that, you should remember my words, what I'm going to say right now. These are just dreams. There is no such a thing like passive income without doing anything. There is no such a thing like something will happen just because you buy something or click something. There is no such a thing. You need to understand that people you're watching, they invest a lot of time and a lot of effort to build themselves like a brand. And when they build themselves like a brand, they start to have authority. And when they have authority, they have that power of sales to tell you what to buy to make them rich. So actually you have nothing from that. It can help you a little bit about something, maybe, eventually, but that picture you so desperately want to reach, how you lay on the beach and don't do anything, is the reason why you purchase something, why you buy something, why you want to have something, thinking that that's the way how you can reach that goal, and not understanding that you're buying dream. And that's something what I promise you will never have here. What I'm trying to explain and what I'm trying to tell you right now is I won't make videos sending you to buy something. I won't make videos using you to make me rich. I will make videos comparing things what I did and showing you how I make them. And trust me, even if you copy my work 100% equal and the same, trust me, result will be totally opposite. And there are so many reasons why. Because it's long path that you reach your first result. Some people need so many months, some people need few years to get first sale. But reason why they failed is so different. You understand? Some people simply have luck, and remember this word because we will use it very, very often. Some people have luck and they simply have, when you start to do something and you try something and you get lucky to sell something without any effort. But when you try to repeat that process and you simply have no result, then you understand that was luck. But what I'm trying to teach you in upcoming period is, to reach some result, you need to look on this like some kind of regular job, because in beginning it will be some kind of hobby. In the beginning it will be some extra job, but your main goal is to make it to be main job. And like right now you're doing something on your main job. When you switch what you will doing, you need to keep and even invest more effort in something what you will do for yourself, for your family, for your future. I will give you tools how you can make something. I will share with you the way how I think, the way how I understand, some comparison on, you understand, we can look on the same thing, but we can understand it in so different way. So I'm going to share with you some experience what we will pass on this long trip to reach our first goal. And you will understand after some period that this is really long trip. But in the end, never give up. That's very important. Never give up. In the end, you will start to feel a result. And then you will say, finally, I'm so thankful that I reached this level, that I never give up, and that I have someone who guide me to not lose money, not lose time, and not do other people favor on my way to reach my own goal. That's my main point. And you need to understand one more thing. When you start to see the difference between people who have authority to sell you something and people who have experience to advise you what to do, avoiding costs or losing time or wasting life on some pointless thing, you will understand that you will need to learn to know, and you will need to accept that in some moment you will need to say for some things maybe what you really want so hard. You will need to understand that in one moment, if you see that it's wasting of time, you will need to have power to say it's enough. Now I will go on some other direction. And that path of finding, searching is something what everyone pass, This is not main thing what I'm doing in some, let's call it online business. I don't call this online business. I call it, I used to call it online business, but right now I cannot call it online business. I look on this more like communicating with potential audience and exchanging my opinions, experience and things like that. But I cannot call this online business because I'm not selling anything. I'm sharing my experience with you. But I also work and do some other things online which really brings me money, and I can call them like online business, even I'm not selling anything. I live from traffic and I live from people who come and see what I'm doing. But that's some totally different story. Point what I'm trying to tell you is, until I publish my next video, I expect that whoever watched this think what you actually want to do in your life and what will help you that you live your life better. And feel free to think high. Not so high, but feel free to think high. And when I say this, I mean, don't say, I will be happy if I have $50 every day. You can think, I will be happy if I earn $500 every day, $700 every day. And then we can discuss in upcoming videos what will be the best way how you can reach your goal without buying other people's products, without buying dream. To make it in the way how you can really make it on your own way. But that in the end, you can look yourself in the mirror and say, look man, this is what I did with my own hands, my brain, and I'm so proud on myself. I didn't buy something what make me instant millionaire. That's something what I'm trying to explain you. I agree, there are so helpful applications what you can use. There are so helpful things you can buy. But so many things you can do without any cost. And that's something what I will try to explain you. And also when you will see my Pinterest course, which is 100% free, you will understand that I will prefer more to use free things to reach the goal instead of paying something which have no guarantee. It have only cost. That's only thing what it's for sure, but result is not for sure. So I just want to make one thing very clear, and I will stop it for this time. There is no magic button, there is no magic application, there is no magic person with some hidden formula you don't know. There is time, understanding of what you're doing, effort, goal, and power in mind and brain that you succeed and go in direction to reach your goal. If you have that mindset and if you have everything set in your head in the way like I just told you, you belong in that 1% of people who know what they want, but maybe they don't know how to reach their goal. If you're listening this and this is something what you hear for the first time, don't be upset, because that means only that you have a lot of things to learn. If you listening this and this is annoying for you, then you are 100% on wrong place. But don't feel sorry if you don't give yourself chance to try to understand what I'm talking about, because it's your life, your decision. It's up to you what you're going to do. And in the end, this is my YouTube channel, which I really didn't put any effort in this until now, because I like I explained in the beginning, we start to do something, but because of this COVID-19 troubles, we need to remove stuff because we start with Pinterest course, but we are not able to provide it at this moment. But I promise in upcoming 1 or 2 weeks it will be ready, and I will give you notifications here when you can go on website and register and continue to use it for free. And don't worry, it will be always for free. And only thing what I guarantee is that you will use all knowledge I collect, and you will have, I guarantee, you will have results without paying $1 single. So guys, for this time I think it's enough. Very soon I will be with you with new video explaining some things what we're going to learn, and it's not related with Pinterest this time. And I hope we will all enjoy this journey and share our own results, where I'm going to guide you how you can do some things with minimum cost or no cost at all, but in the end with very, very visible results. So until my next video, see you.